The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see me? And right about now, this video is just a quick update for me to know what going on within the country of Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I have two videos that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. Actually, I'm going to leave these two videos with you, my viewers and subscribers, you see me? And these two videos shows of an accident that had happened somewhere within the place that is known as Backwalk. You know, some persons might call it the gorge, which is somewhere off the outskirt of the place that is known as Flatbridge, which is of the parish of St. Catherine, that is of the country of Jamaica. And this said to have happened on the 2nd of May 2020, you see me? Now viewers and subscribers, it is said that this accident involves of motor vehicles, and it is said that persons had escaped with their lives, and it is also said that these persons did not show any visible injuries. According to some of the things that I've heard and seen in this video, and according to some of the comments that I've seen on social media about this video, viewers and subscribers, you see me? It gives me the understanding that persons are saying that God is good, or God is good every time. You see what I'm saying to you? Alright? Yeah, now to my knowledge and according to some of the information that I got, it is said that there is no fatalities. You see what I'm saying to you? But however, I'm going to show you these two pieces of videos right about now so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. Alright? Now, before I show you these two pieces of videos, viewers and subscribers, I have to warn you, right, that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? And I would like to say to each and everyone out there, whether you're a motorist or not, you see me? Please be careful on the road and take your time on the road. Alright? Speeding is dangerous. Alright? Alright, now here I'm going to show you this video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Awesome Jesus! Oh God Almighty! Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Hey, Jesus! Thank
That's free.
that is good.
Jesus Christ. Big up, man. Respect. I'm glad somebody saved.
It's me when sister, man.
Brother, Mr. Start driving for up this
Alright, back at this with them.
People and so forth.